As a researcher, submitting a manuscript to a journal is an exciting milestone. However, reference formatting is tedious and time consuming. What if I told you there's an easier and simpler way? Let me introduce to you Trinka's Citation Formatter, a tool that will remove all the hassle of reference formatting. Let's see how it's done. You can simply log into your Trinka account. Once logged in, from the left panel, click on the Citation Formatter. You can paste your references out here. From this drop-down menu, you can select the style that most suits your journal requirement. In case you're yet not ready to submit your references, the references are saved under draft for a few days. Formatted references are saved under report. Once you're ready, you can click on Submit. Now the tool not only formats your references, it also cross-verifies your references with the publisher data. Now there are two views that are available. One is the changes and the other one is the output. Under the changes, you will see the tracked version of the references. The green being the insertion and the red being the deletion. In case there are certain changes or you want to update certain information in the references, you need to click and this pencil, update the year and save. This date is now updated into your reference. Once you have reviewed all the references, you need to simply click on save. Under output, you can now copy your references into a Word document. Now the best part is that if you're submitting your paper to a different journal, switching style using the citation formatter is going to be very simple. All you need to do is paste your references, select a different style and submit. Ready to give it a try? Head over to Trinka Citation Formatter and perfect your references today.